a speed calibration. So I'm going to hold my far right button to go into my main menu. In my main menu, I'm going to select my calibration, select my next arrow. I want to go into my speed calibration and press my next arrow. Before we start my speed calibration, I want to fill the spray tank half full of water. This is an average so that we have the appropriate weight on the tires to have the correct speed. We can also cancel at any time if that needs to happen. I'm going to press my next arrow. So the operator is required to drive the known distance. We need to use a measuring wheel and mark off a known distance. The further the distance is a better reading. We recommend at least 150, but we're going to be using 300. So I'm going to use my next arrow to continue. Here's where we're going to enter our marked distance. So I can use my plus and minuses to change this distance down to where my marked distance is. My marked distance was 300 feet. So I'm going to change this down to 300 feet. Now that I have my 300 feet in there, I'm going to hit my next button. We want to turn off all booms, and then we're going to press the next arrow to continue. We now are ready to start our speed cal. The machine is already lined up with my start line, and I'm going to now drive my 300 feet. Speed does not matter. When I hit my 300 feet, I'm going to then stop the machine at my mark. So I stopped my machine at my 300 mark. Now notice that the machine recorded a little over my 300. When I hit done, it's going to self-calibrate my speed sensor so that it is lined up and it's exactly 300. I'm going to select done. The calibration is successful and I can now exit.